Just wanted to do another quick update here. So I've got the track laid and screwed into place. I still need to build the little bit of wood support here, but the X is in, the track going across there is in, so I had to cut that piece. This is a standard half. Actually no, this is a tiny bit shorter than a standard half. And by doing that, I didn't have to cut a piece here or a piece in this curve. So this curve is all just a solid piece of track. So is that, and this piece is the same that I got. So the only cuts I had to make were a cut to the long piece, a tiny cut to this half a piece, and then over here I also had to cut a tiny piece here, which I already had a really small piece, so I just cut it a little bit smaller. And by moving the switch a little bit this way, I was able to not have to put a cut piece in either of these two curves, which I like. So that's all ready to go and it works. The train can go over it. The only thing is I haven't put the train over this one yet because it's a little bit unstable. And then the other exciting news is I've switched the rope over, and this morning I managed to make it go up a couple times. So I'm going to make it go up right now. It's not going up and down perfectly straight and flat, and I finally figured out, I thought the ropes were uneven, but they're not. I'm going to try to show myself cranking this. It's a little bit challenging to do. It turns out it's not going up evenly because the rope is not spooling onto here perfectly even, all four of these. Some of them are going on the smaller part and some are bounding up on top of each other, which makes them pull further than the other one. So I end up with a slightly uneven crank, which is not the goal, but so I'm going to go ahead and okay, the table just went up. So I'll just turn the camera around and show that. As you can see, the table is swinging. So it is now up. I'm going to keep going up here. Now, we'll see how it does here for staying level. What's happening is down in here, one is on the metal that's thinner and one's up on the top part there, which is causing it to unevenly pull. So I'm going to have to figure that out. So we had a minor malfunction. That hook there obviously pulled out. Two of the pulleys came off. So these two wires here became loose, but the table didn't actually fall. It went down a little bit, but not much. I was able to bring it down safely. And so obviously I need to rethink this situation up here. It's also not pulling. I need something that pulls straight into the middle of this drum here, because all the stuff is spooling up on the side, and that's causing a couple of them to pull much faster than the other ones. So I need something up here on the roof that's much stronger and it's straight over the top of here. So that's what I'm going to work on next.